Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Amirudin Fauzi. My matrix number is J20A0502. And I will talk about biocomposite application, blending nature with technology. Biocomposite is a materials derived from a combination of natural fibers and polymer matrix, represent a sustainable and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional composite materials. These innovative materials find application across various industries for both natural and synthetic component. For automotive industry, biocomposite have gained significant traction in the automotive sector, where manufacturers are increasingly exploring lightweight and eco-friendly alternatives. Natural fibers such as flax, hemp and jute combined with polymers offer excellent strength to weight ratios, contributing to reduced vehicle weight and enhanced fuel efficiency. Next, for the building construction. In construction, biocomposite finds application in variety structural and non-structural elements. Natural fibers provide reinforcement, improving the mechanical properties of construction materials. Next, for consumer goods and electronics, biocomposite are making inroads into the production consumer goods, including electronic and furniture. From laptop casing to smartphone components, manufacturers are incorporating natural fibers into design to achieve a balance between strength, durability, and environmental responsibility. That's all from me. Thank you.